Shallow, she big Tim, and Shallow's over there on the other side. He was showing me he had water and food. Yeah, food, mijo. They gave you food. You ate it all today, yes? Hola, Shallow. Oh, she beautiful babies. Mommy babies. Yes, I know. Hi, she big Tim. My teddy bear. You behaving, mijo? Yes. And beautiful Mamita. She queen. Nina 3. Susie, she I. Y'all being good, huh? Yes. Thank you. You behave, babies. Ay, mi cosita bonitas. Beautiful. Mommy loves you. Muchos besitos y bracitos, mamita. Ay, corazón. No get sad, mamita. Mommy still loves you. She big Tim. Mommy loves you too. And Shallow. You be good, Shallow. Mi negrita princesa, mami Cesa. Ahí está mamita bonita. Yes. My beautiful girl. She's my baby girl. Where's mommy go? There she is. Yes. You be good, mija. You're always being a good girl, huh? Yes. You too, Shallow. She big Tim. I see you. Ay, qué bonita. Anda, come, mijo. He's eating. Qué bonito, mijo. Shallow, you eat your food and drink your water too. You be good. Mamita, you too. Niñas, niños, y'all eat your food and drink your water. Here? I've been talking with the ranchers outside for hours today. I've been busy. Yes. We're trying to see if we can get y'all out there. Hey, Q. Y'all be good. Ay, my chiquito. He lives his food. Mamaecto, I know. He's not there no more, mijo. He's with me already. There's another dog over there chilling and resting. Aww. And he starts eating when he sees me. So does Mamita. Ay, cosita bonitas. Mi cosita bonita, muchos bracitos y besitos. Tú cómale, tú no da vergüenza de nada. Échale ganas. ¿Sí? Te quiero mucho. Corazoncitos. And those are non-violent animals. Chilling. That's all they do is chill. Well, they walk around their area too, and Shallow likes walking around. Shallow's playing over there. Oh, Shallow, you're so playful, baby. You're such a baby. Ay, mijito lindo. They gave you a chew toy. Yes. They gave you a chew toy. He's being playful over there. He's eating and getting his water too. Ay, qué lindo, mijo. Chiquito. There's that beautiful dog over there too. You be good, Jello. Mameta, you too, mija. I love you. She's just staring over here straight at me. She loves listening to Mommy's voice, huh? Yes, I know. Y'all be good. I'm gonna let y'all get some rest so I can go again tomorrow to the ranch. Be good. Shallow, no get sad, Shallow. I see you, mijo. Be good. Hang in there and be strong for Mommy and you too, alright? Q? I'm counting on y'all. Y'all be good. My beautiful. Ay, que chula, Mika. She latches eyes onto Mommy. I see you, beautiful. You be good, mija. Pobrecita. Hi, baby. Hola. And who's that? Oh, there's another doggy. She-I? Where's Susie? Susie? Susa? Susie? I don't see Susie there anymore. Where are you? Hi, baby. Susa? You there? They moved you somewhere else? Hi, Mommy. Don't get sad. I'm right here. You be good. Mommy loves you. Sending you shuggies and kisses. Yeah, corazón. Y'all be good. I'm gonna let y'all get some rest. I have to get up early again tomorrow and go out there. Be good. Mommy loves you. Kisses. Mwah! Besitos, machitos. Queenesses. All women, no citizen.